In this video, we will understand about circles, their concept, their theorems, and what is given in the exercise 10.2. So, what you will learn today? Today, you will learn about the question number 3, 4, and 5 of exercise 10.2. And for the remaining questions, link is given in the description box. Hello everyone, I am Naina. Welcome back to my channel Akshar. I usually make videos to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12. So let's start our today's topic. Let's start understanding question number 3, which says if tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with the center O. So what is given to you till now? There is a circle whose center is what? Whose center is O, and two tangents are drawn PA and PB from a point P. From a point P, two tangents are drawn such that they are touching the circle at point A and B, and O is the center of the circle, right? Both are inclined to each other at 80 degree. What does it mean? They are inclined. Inclined means the angle the tangents are making with each other at the point of contact is what? It is 80 degree, right? Suppose there is any straight line and another line is there on this straight line. So what I will say, that these lines are inclined to each other at an angle of 90 degree, because these are the straight lines, right? So similarly here also inclined means both the lines are making an angle of 80 degree with each other. Then angle POA is equal to, then you have to find out this angle PO and A, right? So here first of all we will write down what is given to us and what we have to prove. So given is what? Given is what? Given is a circle with the center O and tangents, and two tangents PA and PB are drawn from point P. Okay, are drawn from point P. This much is given to us. And what we have to prove? To prove is what? We have to prove that our angle POA, we have to find out this angle POA, right? So let's start our proof then. So according to theorem number 10.1, which says that if any radius is drawn to the tangent, then at the point of contact, what is the point of contact? Point of contact is A and B for this tangent. So at the point of the contact, this radius is making an angle of 90 degree. So that since you can write down, since OA is perpendicular to PA, so that means angle OAP is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, OB is perpendicular to PB. So that means angle OBP is equal to 90 degree, right? Why? You can write down the reason for both of them, that radius to the tangent at the point of contact is perpendicular. At the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, right? So this will be the reason as per the theorem number 10.1. Okay, so next, so now you can see that this angle is 90, this angle is also 90, and this is given to us. So this is a quadrilateral OAPB, and the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is how much? It is equal to 360 degree. So you can write down in quadrilateral OAPB, sum of all four angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. right? So we will imagine that this is my angle 1, this is my angle 2, suppose this is angle 3, and suppose this complete is my angle 4, right? So you know that angle 1 and angle 3 are 90, and angle 2 is how much? Angle 2 is 80 degree. 90 plus 80 plus 90 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. So what it will give you? 90 plus 90 is 180, 180 plus 80 is 260. So when it will go to the right hand side, 360 minus 260, it will give you 100 degree, right? So this is what? This angle 4 is what? This angle 4 is this complete angle BOA. So that means angle BOA is equal to 100 degree. But what I have to find out? I have to find out angle POA. I have to find out this angle, right? So for that, what approach I am going to take is, I am going to take these two triangles, triangle POA and triangle POB. So in triangle POA and triangle POB, you can see that PO is common, PO is equal to PO, this is common, right? And OA and OB are equal. Why? Because both are radius of the circle, and radius of the circle is equal, right? Next, PA and PB are also equal. Why? According to theorem number 10.2, that the tangents drawn from exterior point of the circle, tangents drawn from an exterior point of the circle are equal in length. Exterior point of circle are equal in length, right? So that means if our three sides are equal, so that means my both the triangles are similar to each other. Triangle POA is similar to triangle POB. Okay, so triangle POA is similar to triangle POB. That means by using the property of CPCT, what we can say that angle POA is equal to angle POB. That means this angle POA is equal to this angle POB. So I can write down that my angle BOA is equal to, this complete angle BOA is equal to sum of these two angles. That means angle POA plus angle POB, which is equal to 100 degree. So POA plus, in place of POB I can write down POA again. So that means 2 times of angle POA is equal to 100 degree. So that means my angle POA is equal to 50 degree. So this much I have to find out in this question, right? So moving to question number 4. Question number 4 says what? Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. So I have to prove that there is a circle and tangents are drawn at the diametrically opposite ends of the circle A, B and O. So two tangents are drawn at the diametrically opposite end of the circle. I have to prove that these two tangents are parallel to each other, PA and QB, right? So what is given to us? Given to us is a circle with tangents drawn at diametrically opposite ends of a circle. Okay, so those two tangents are given to us, diametrically opposite ends of circle, right? So what we have to prove? We have to prove that my PA is parallel to my QB. So let's start our proof. So again, by making use of theorem number 10.1, what we can say that this OA is a radius
and it is at the point of contact A, what angle it will make? It will make an angle of 90 degree. Here also it will make an angle of 90 degree. And on OB is also a radius, and this is my tangent, and at the point of contact B, what angle it will make? It will make an angle of 90 degree, and here also it will make an angle of 90 degree. So let's give them name as angle 1, 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So what I can say that my OA is perpendicular to my PA. So that means my angle 1 will be equal to 90 degree. So you can write down the same reason which we have written in the previous question. Okay. Similarly, my angle 2 will be equal to 90 degree. This angle 1 and this angle 2. And similarly, so you can write down since OB is perpendicular to QB, OB is perpendicular to QB, so that means my angle 3 is equal to 90 degree, and also my angle 4 is equal to 90 degree. So give them as equation number 1, this is equation number 2, let's suppose this is equation number 3 and this is my equation number 4. Okay, so now you can see that angle 1 is equal to angle 4, which is equal to 90 degree, and also I can say that angle 2 is equal to angle 3 from equation number, this result is from equation number 1 and 4, and this result is from equation number 2 and 3, right? So when these angles can be equal, 1 and 4 and 2 and 3, when these angles can be equal, see 1 and 4, they are making this shape. This is my angle 1 and this is my angle 4. So what is this shape? This is a Z shape. That means this is a straight line, and these are the two transversals, and this straight line is intersecting these two transversals. So these two angles are equal. That means these two angles can be equal when? If and only if these two lines are parallel to each other. These are an angle of alternate interior angles. So because these are alternate interior angles, so alternate interior angles are equal, so that means these lines are parallel to each other, right? So that means my PA is parallel to my QB, right? The only reason that these two angles are equal can be that when PA will be equal, VA will be parallel to QB, because alternate interior angles are formed always between two parallel lines. So moving to question number 5, which says that prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle. So what is given to you is that there is a circle and there is a tangent, and at the point of contact of the tangent, the line which is passes through the center. Okay, so suppose this is the center, right? Suppose this is my line AB and the point of contact is P, right? So now read the statement again. You will be able to understand what the statement says now. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of the contact, at this point of contact, there is an perpendicular. It is given to you this time that this angle is OPB is equal to 90 degree. So given is what? Given is that OP is perpendicular to AB. That means it is given to you that angle OPB is equal to 90 degree. So perpendicular at the point of contact means at point P to the tangent. This is my tangent AB. So to the tangent, perpendicular of the circle passes through the center. So what I have to prove? That this perpendicular is passing through the center. Okay, so now let us start our proof. To prove is what? That OP passes through the center O, right? Let us start our proof then. So our proof says what? That let us suppose there is any another point. Let us suppose that this OP, this perpendicular is not passing through the center, it is passing through some another point, right? Let the perpendicular passes through any another point, passes through another point, okay, and that point is what? That point is my suppose O dash, right? So if this is passing through O dash, so that means O dash P is perpendicular. So what does it mean? That means my angle O dash P is equal to 90 degree, because as any line which is perpendicular to the given line, that means it is making an angle of 90 degree. So now we have assumed that this perpendicular is not passing through center, it is passing through some another point. So if this is the perpendicular this time, then my angle O dash P will be equal to 90 degree. But from this given equation and this equation number 2, so from equation number 1 and 2, what you will get? You will get your angle OPB is equal to angle O dash P, and both are equal to 90 degree, okay. But from the figure you can see very clearly that angle OPB is greater than angle O dash PB. This angle, this OPB, this complete angle is greater than angle O dash PB. So both the results are contradicting with each other, this third result and this fourth result, right? So if this is greater than P, so that means this angle cannot be equal to 90 degree. So that means angle O dash P cannot be equal to 90 degree, because this is given to us that this angle is 90, this is given to us, right? So if this is greater than if this is greater, if this is less, so that means this angle will be less than 90, but we have proved that this angle is 90. So both the results are contradicting with each other. That means angle O dash PB cannot be equal to 90 degree. So that means my O dash P cannot be perpendicular to the tangent AB, right? It is not perpendicular to the tangent AB. So what does it mean? That OP is the perpendicular which passes through the center, okay. That means my OP is the perpendicular which is passing through the center, because for any another point this angle cannot be equal to 90, and to be perpendicular on any line the angle should be equal to 90 degree.
If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates related to the videos of NCERT solution. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to solve the remaining questions of exercise 10.2. So till then, take care and bye bye.